Hi everybody, happy gardening. Hope everybody's doing well. I came here this afternoon just to give you a little update on my Olle garden beds with my warm weather crops. I had posted a video on my cold weather crops and what I was able to fit on my garden beds. And this is how my bed is looking this spring. So I have 4 banana peppers, and as you can see, there's so many peppers here, and they're looking beautiful, beautiful, ready to be harvested. And this is a 2x8 garden bed, galvanized steel in dark gray. Pretty nice looking, especially if you live on a more restricted area where you have to maintain your garden pretty. So these look great and they're very durable. So in between these banana peppers, I have planted lettuce heads, and look at how huge they are. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lettuce heads here. Then I still have my nasturtiums growing. Lost one, but I have still 2 growing. Then I have a tiny pepper plant right here. It's taking a little bit of time to develop. It was planted at the same time as these here. So another 2 spicy peppers called ladyfinger. And then back here I have 2 scarlet eggplant, which is called Gila. And everything is looking very healthy and pretty. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Can't wait to see it. So again, this is 2x8, and these are all the warm weather crops that I was able to fit on it. So as you know, I have another one which is 4x8, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. And I don't have quite a lot planted on this bed because I just finished harvesting my cold weather crops which were my broccolis. If you see a video that I posted about my broccoli heads, what I did was I harvested the initial head and then I left the plant, and it kept on giving me other broccoli heads, and I just got the plants out maybe 2 weeks ago. So it's a little empty right here still, but still have a lot of plants growing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants growing here, and I can fit a lot more, especially in the middle here. But as soon as I took the broccoli out, I planted the little ladyfinger hot peppers here. I had some more seedlings, and you could see the very big difference between planting a vegetable in a larger container and keeping them on a small container. Look at the size of these. But it's actually doing a little bit better than they were before. Anyways, then I have again this banana pepper full of peppers, full of little peppers, full of flowers, and I think the beds are helping a lot. But having a wildflower garden has been bringing a lot of pollinators, and that's probably helping a lot with my vegetables too, because I have a lot of peppers. We'll be freezing lots of them so I could eat when I don't have them. But look at this one. Then I have another pepper plant right here, a different pepper, an eggplant, and then I still have some carrot growing right there, and then I had 2 other broccoli plants right there that I took out. So I could plant something back there, more stuff in the middle. And as you can see, I can still fit a lot in this bed fits a lot of vegetables, even more so than the other one, because this one is a lot wider. And I love these beds so much that I just got another one maybe like 4 days ago from my side garden, which is gonna help with the bunnies too, because the bunnies get to the side garden, but it doesn't get to this one here. So if you want my opinion, these beds are pretty awesome. They're pretty, especially if you have to maintain your garden a specific way. They keep critters out, and you can put good soil so your vegetables could grow healthy. So can't wait to show you my new addition to my garden, which will be on the side of my house. But in the meanwhile, keep on gardening. It makes us smile, and I'll talk to you soon. So pretty. Look at that.